Hey everybody, this is uh, Michael Brown and Leslie Huffman, and this is our stand-up 2 for Housing Insecurity Survey. This survey specifically aims to learn about students here on campus. We want to observe the overall satisfaction and experiences students have, uh, mainly with their current housing situation. We also want to learn about their demographics, so things like race, financial dependency, geographic location, etc., and how this has affected their experiences in education. Our study is important because we examine the relationship between housing quality and housing costs among college students in order to address the needs of Southeastern students.
Our dichotomous variable is a nominal level variable. We know it's nominal because there are separate groups, but we do not know how often each individual experiences the issue presented or where they experience it. The confidence interval is the statistical range that we can provide a level of confidence or capturing the true population parameters. Our confidence interval is set at 95%. Our ratio level variable is based on monthly housing costs for students at Southeastern. We know this is a ratio level variable because we are able to identify separate groups, the difference between groups, and a meaningful zero. Our confidence interval is set at 95%, and once again giving us a statistical range that we can provide a level of confidence or capturing the true population parameter.
So another variable we decided to do was to test the years of residency among our survey respondents. This variable is a ratio level variable because we can observe multiple groups within our data, as well as find a meaningful zero. And we can also discern how different each group is by means of multiplicativity. Based on our data, we can be 95% confident that the true mean of years residency among students at Southeastern is between 2.91 and 7.15 over the long run. This means that we can assume with 95% confidence that students at Southeastern have lived in their current residency for between 2.91 and 7.15 years. And to show you the hypothesis and to test this variable, we chose to have a null hypothesis that among the population at Southeastern, the mean years of residency is 6 years. And we've created an alternative hypothesis that is among the population at Southeastern, the average years of residency is not equal to 6 years. Our significance level is set at 0.05, and the statistical method is the claim about one population mean method. It assumes one population, which is okay because only one population is being sampled from. It assumes population mean, and this is okay because the claim proposed is about a population mean. And finally, this assumes an independent sample, and this is fine because the response of the analytical units do not influence each other.
Our p-value. We did a two-tailed test, and the p-value was 0.359. The p-value is greater than the significance level, So in other words, what we observed is not a rare event. Under the null hypothesis, because the p-value is greater than the significance level, we fail in rejecting the null and accepting the alternative. At the alpha, which is 0.05 level, we have insufficient evidence to conclude that the average years of residency among the population at Southeastern is statistically significant, different from 6 years. In other words, it is possible for mean years of residency among the population at Southeastern to be 6 years.